Alright, today I will be showing you how to build this, the kolibri pistol. It's really small. It's, yeah, like if I hold it normally, and I have tiny hands. Like, okay, like this is a normal sized card. That's my hand, and then this is the gun on the card. The gun's pretty small. So yes, I'll jump in on how to build this. Okay. Okay, now that we're here, we're gonna first build the top. So these are the pieces you will need. Just take a look at it. It's not really that hard to read, although this can be replaced with like a flat piece like this. I just think this looks cooler and I had one. So yes, these are all the pieces that you will need. The handle, okay, we're gonna put that aside. The handle, just as basic. So for this, I put this on top of here to make sure that this would reach down. Also put a little plate down there to make sure that it reached down to here. I put these little dots on for decoration, and it's one of the pieces that's double-sided like this. Okay, give me a sec. And this is a piece, okay, oh god, I dropped my phone. And that is a piece like this. Okay. Just fixing it. Okay. Yeah. And the trigger is built of this, a little slanted piece, and this little thing that has the little bump. I meant the indent that you can stick stuff to, so it's like a trigger. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. And I think the handle is pretty basic. The gun is pretty basic too. It's also really tiny. Just a little thing that you can show your friends or your family. Unless your family hates guns, then you really don't want to show your family. And I also put this little hook piece here for some iron sights. You know what you see? Yes, and then this is supposed to be like a clip or something. So anyways, that'll be all for today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more LEGO tutorials. Also, comment what you would like me to do for future videos. Anyways, that's it. Goodbye.